Namaskar. Welcome to my masterclass of Indian Sciences of Wellbeing. Today we will be meeting Dr. Ratna Prabha Chaudhary, who is a founder of Havya Ayurved, and also she has won many beauty pageant titles. And I'm so happy to introduce her in this masterclass, who is going to take the topics on beauty and immunity. So, welcome, Dr. Ratna Prabha, and please let us know what are you going to teach in this class.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Newton. Uh, and thank you for introducing me so nicely. So, basically, Ayurveda and beauty are my topics. So,
Yes.
what exactly beauty means according to Ayurveda? That I want to explain you first in this, short session or a short introduction of this course.
Hmm.
So, beauty, according to us, is usually we look for an thin figure, long limbs, and so on, a fair complexion, a good hair, and so on. But Ayurveda, that is an ancient science since from 5,000 year old system. It's a natural healing science that defines beauty
Correct.
as rupam gunam vayastyagam iti shubhanga karanam.
Hmm.
So what it means? Basically, it has in three basic pillars which describes beauty. First or very initially it's defines rupam.
Yes.
That means the outer beauty. So personalized by shining and healthy hair, and also and radiant and clear skin.
Okay.
Next one is gunam.
Hmm.
That means an inner beauty.
Okay.
So the beauty that shines from within.
Correct.
So it characterized your warm personality, the kind heart, and innocent mind.
Correct.
And Vayastyagam. Vayastyagam means that beauty that lasts, ever ending beauty. So feeling and looking younger than your chronological age, when age is just a number. So Ayurveda doesn't depend upon the cosmetic products and the external treatments to achieve the desired state of beauty, but it is simple and very beauty that doesn't specify the shape of body
Hmm.
or a color of the skin or a length of the hair.
Hmm.
Beauty is what you reflect naturally. So on
Perfect.
the outer surface and from within.
Okay.
So that three basic qualities, Rupam, Gunam, and Vayastyagam, defines actually beauty from inner as well as from outer view. So the Rupam, the outer beauty, is a reflection of the healthy and proper routine or a daily lifestyle of yours. And the frame of your body structure is something that that is with you from where from your you know uh, from your birth.
Correct.
So you cannot do anything about it.
Correct.
But a big, medium, or a small each body type can be beautiful as long as good health exists.
Hmm.
So people often says you're what you eat, which is true.
Hmm.
But Ayurveda emphasize you're what you digest, Agni.
Perfect.
So Agni is an important topic
Yeah.
when we talk about beauty and immunity.
Correct.
So what I want to emphasize in this class is about how you can, keep your Agni balance
Yeah.
so that you can keep your beauty as well as immunity everlasting.
Correct. That is what my effort through this masterclass. That yes, there will be the topic on the first lesson only, that is on Agni, because being Ayurveda doctor, even we all know that how important it is to keep stimulating our digestive fire, and whatever we eat, more than that, what we digest is very important part in Ayurveda. So thank you, Dr. Ratna. Sorry, Ratna Prabha, because you're a good friend of mine. So I always used to call you as Ratna. I'm happy that my students will be, very well learn from you about this beauty and immunity in this lesson. Would you like to say anything or invite student, or you know any message would you like to give to my students? or
Of
our student?
course. Yeah, of course. We are going to, learn the concept of beauty and immunity thorough in this masterclass. The
Hmm.
concept of beauty and personality,
Hmm.
because personality is also an important aspect to enhance your beauty.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, we are also going to emphasize some of the topics to, enhance your personality as per Ayurveda, as per basic scriptures in Ayurveda,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
concept of immunity in Ayurveda, and simple methods of enhancing beauty and immunity that you can apply in your daily lifestyle.
Can you
And
tell
also,
us a little bit about the simple methods you say? So, can you give me some examples, like one or two examples here?
yes, yes, drinking water is very common concept. People used to say, eat water as possible. Sorry, drink water as possible you can, but no, there is some limitation as per Prakriti. In Ayurveda, it's describes. So we are going to thoroughly learn this concept, how much water you can drink as per your Prakriti. Secondly, the diet. The diet is an important concept to enhance your beauty and immunity. So, as per Ayurveda and as per Prakriti, we are going to, learn simple and minute aspects of our diet.
Mm.
And not least, lastly, as per season, Rutu. So Rutu-nusar ahar and diet. Also, we are going to emphasize on these topics, the minute topics. So these are the simple tips I would like to suggest for you all to follow. um, Diet as per season, drink as per your prakriti, and eat as per your prakriti. Yeah.
Great. Thanks a lot. So, yes, here we are. So, this course is going to launch in March 2021. And till then, we will be posting most of the, faculties who are part of this course. I like to invite more students who are interested to learn this science together on one platform. That science is three in one sciences I am teaching in this masterclass, that is Ayurveda, Yoga, and Garbha Sanskar. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, Dr. Ratna.
Thank you so much.